Hi friends, today we are going to see the environment, how to access the environment variables in Python using OS module. We are going to access the environmental variables in Python using the OS module. Here import OS print of os dot get env of path. There is a default inbuilt environment variable called path. I'm going to access this path in this import os dot, or if you want to print os dot get env of path. But if you try to execute this, if you try to execute python test.py, see, we got the one environmental variable called python its value. Its value. It is the value of the environmental variable of the python. Sorry, path. Like that, there is another variable called print os.get env of home. If you see home, if you see home, see home is not. I think home is not there. If you want to separate this, see here only we can see path. I think how to see the environmental variables here. Go to the Explorer here. This PC, right click on this, show more and properties, and go to the advanced environment, advanced system settings. Go to here environmental variables. Here you will see the variable names. There is a OS also there, path and path ext and the platform code. These are environmental variable. We will see the mongo sh also. If you want to see mongo sh, mongo sh or mongo sh, like this. If you see we got the mongo sh also, like this. If you want to give the OS print of by get env OS, see the Windows NT, like this. Uh, there is a number of process online services. These are we can access username also. If you want to access username, we can access username also. If you see print OS dot get env of username. There is a one more thing, print of os dot get env of another one is number of process. If you see number of process per of process, see we got this one path, we got this one mongo sh, we got the windows nt, we got the username cha, this one, and we got the number of process. So like this we can access the, like this we can access the environmental variables using the python program. Example one. How to set the environmental variables here? Command line. Set, set, set home. I'm using that home. I'm here writing, or you can write mm, home. I'm going to write a public directory. I'm going to write here public directory. If you want to access this, if you want to access this home, import OS, import OS print of OS dot get env of home, get env of home, Python test dot py, public directory. Like this you can use. And one more, if you see OS dot get env of, I'm going to write one more custom and here I'm going to write login or login user. I'm write the login user. Set login user. Set login user. I'm going to here write John. Sorry, Johnson. I'm going to write. If you try to access, see public directory and Johnson. If I going to go to the another directory, another terminal and Python, if you try to access here, if you try to run the program, I am getting the none. Why? The set variable is used to set the environmental variables its terminal itself only, the terminal itself only. It will not accessible in that variables is not accessible in the other terminal. If you want to accessible in the other terminal also, we are going to use the environment like path here. Here I am going to set that system variables and user level variables. I'm making here cancel. If you want to set the environment variable in the program itself only, we will see that one also. How to set environment variables in Python. Done. Here, os dot environmental db is equals to okay, we will see here. Os dot environ of we are going to set I'm writing here temp. I'm setting the my folder access. I'm writing here like, and if you try to access os dot get env of temp, env of temp. See, okay, if you try to access here on test.py, see, I'm getting the public directory Johnson and my folder access. If you try to use one more os.environ of, I'm setting one more. I'm writing here build folder access. I'm writing something here. If you try to access get env of build, get env of build. You try to see this one public directory I'm getting from the terminal code and public directory Johnson and my folder access and build folder access. I'm getting like this. Like this, we are going to set the environmental variables to our application. This is the code for working with the get env or environmental variables in Python using the OS module. Like this, we are going to set. That's all, friends. If you like my content, please like and subscribe my channel and support my channel.